Na so I did today na today I wan cook Oha Soup and na my turn to cook based on our roaster in the house. So as I dey enter kitchen na so Igbo just enter with me Igbo follow me dey drag say he wan follow me cook dis Oha Soup, dis and dat with im reasons. Na im begin dey try dey convince me dey give me reasons. Come dey tell me say see things na wey him go like join me man. I come say okay make we cook am together. You na my guy, make we cook no yawa. Me I still say okay let's cook it together man, and let's put head together and make it very sweet and delicious. So that is where we're heading to. Check out man. So look at what we have here. Igbo just put the stockfish here, and also we added the animal skin, the bomo. Then also added the protein we bought. You know what it costs now in the country. Looking at that protein, man, we are managing. So look at it. We have the crayfish blended with the pepper and also the sliced onion, and I added the Maggi also, and now we are going to add some water to also salt, and also let it to boil for some minutes, about 15, 16, 17 minutes. This is the ogiri. I had to use the hot water to dissolve it. After doing that, I pour it back into the soup and it continues, and that is it. And we added oil. That is the end of it. Just remaining. I also like making my oha with uziza leaf, and this is putting the uziza leaf in the soup, and this is the oha leaf. Finally, the soup is ready. So man, you can't believe how tasty this food is, man. If you love this recipe, please also look at the bowl. Boy is here, man, enjoying the soup. Look at how delicious this Oha soup is. Look at, just check it out. Look at me, man. I really like, especially swallow with fufu. Man, it's going down very, very soon. Look at Kindu, man. Udo Kindu. See brother have like 4 fufu here. I would start from meat first. Make you get the taste of the soup.
That is the highest level.
See Wale, brother, they get better hope, the yarn and sit there and for belly. Child, okay now. See another person, see updates, man. Update. You go feel say it not finish already. See him now. You go feel say start from this one. Maybe me don't chop plenty. So if you like this comment, like, share, and comment the country you're watching us from. Thank you. I love you.